My name is Jason Quigno. My studio is Anishinaabe Studios. It means stone man in Ojibwe. I'm a stone carver. Yeah, I've been doing this for over 30 years now. The first sculpture I did, like taking a raw stone and seeing the finished product, was pretty amazing to me, and it still is to me. I just enjoy it too. I enjoy the labor of it. It's very labor intensive. It's titled Akii Ndodem. It means earth totem. I just enjoyed the vertical pieces, and I wanted to do a contemporary spin on some of our old ancient ideas. I always wanted a chance of doing on a monumental scale. So when the call came out, I thought, oh, this would be perfect. Yeah, so it just represents some of the elements of the earth. And then the stone will represent the earth. And then the cuts represent the water. And then those detail work will represent the wind. The shadow, the light and shadow plays a big role in the sculpture itself. And if you could use that to the advantage, I use it a lot. Flowing lines. It's one of the things I like to do is make the stone look like it's moving, not just some static hard piece. I want it to have some delicacy and movement, so as you're looking at it, your eye goes around it. And then you got to think of the engineering of it too, like lifting it and everything, getting it over there. In between the pieces, I'll have real thick steel bars. The joint will actually be stronger than the actual stone itself because of the glue I use is real powerful. You go home after 10 hours of heavy carving, you feel pretty good, you accomplished something. That's one of the things I like about stone too, is you see your accomplishment, It's still to this day, I find it amazing that I can take a raw stone and make it into something. It keeps me coming back. I'm glad they're getting some Anishinaabe artwork in the Grand Rapids area. And I'm glad Grand Valley's stepping up, they commissioned me to do this. So this piece is Anishinaabe inspired, and the stories behind it. So it'll be here for a long time, long after we're gone, So I'm glad that our stories will be here in stone.